Hey, did you know you can watch my videos in any languages? Like Russian, Arabic, Hebrew, Indian languages, and many other languages on the list. Go ahead and try it. Discord is giving away 2,800 orbs, and this is totally not fake. I'll show you. First, watch this quest called Dinkum. It is giving out 700 orbs. Do this fast. It will expire on November 13th. After that, do the second quest called King of Meats, which is also giving out 700 orbs. This is expiring on November 19th. As soon as you are done with that, move to the third quest from Amazon. Fast. We got no time. This will be expiring on December 23rd, just 2 days before the Christmas. So far, we have collected 2,100 orbs. Now for the fourth quest. Use your VPN and change your location in the United States for the quest to appear. A quest called The Running Man will appear. It will expire relatively faster on November 16th, so make sure to finish this on time. And there we have it. In total, we got 2,800 orbs with 4 quests that gave out 700 orbs each. Now remember, here's the reason why I add free Nitro in my thumbnail. You should be having enough orbs to get a 3-day Nitro from the shop. Just make sure to not purchase more than one at the same time, because Discord has explicitly stated that the Nitro won't stack. If you want Orbs link, just join my Discord server. Go to Help Desk channel. This channel is under Main Chat channel. You can ask the bot where you can find the Orbs link in this server. She will guide you properly, as I've trained her. If you want an AI chatbot helper too, just watch this video. Last but not least, you can join my Discord server if you want decors and layouts for your Discord server. You can see we got so many decor channels like banners, PNG, and the list goes on. Come here and check it out for yourself. And anyway, if you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button because it's completely free.